Hi, my loves. Good morning, and welcome back to a brand new vlog. I am so sorry for the lighting. It did not even occur to me that it was going to rain this morning, but there's a lot to tell you guys about. Oh my god, where do I even start from? So, first of all, I am on my period. I don't know why I started with that, but I am so sorry. Girlies, you know how it is. So it started like 2 days ago and it has not even been funny. The cramps has been out of this world. But I'm trying to hold on to myself and try to calm down on everything. The main thing now is that I started night shift around the same time my period started. So I started night shift on Sunday. Not really night shift. On Sunday I was on 24-hour duty. So I was here from 9 a.m. and I left by 9 a.m. on Monday. So that's 24 hours. And then I came back on Monday night to start night shift. So today is currently Wednesday morning. So I started night shift like 2 days ago. So I've been going through it, guys. I've really been going through it. But it's fine. It's a Wednesday morning. I just finished ward rounds and I had my bath. I just did my skincare as you guys saw. If you're an OG on this channel, you already know where this place is. I don't need to, tell you. But if you don't know, this is our call room, the doctor's call room, where if you're on call or you're on duty over the night, you get to sleep and stay over in the call room. So this is what it's looking like in case you're wondering why I'm not currently in my house. So the weather is looking very gloomy, very dark. I am going to turn the camera around and show you guys, but I'm staring at it right now and I'm like, I just hope it doesn't keep me here because I have to go home. I need to go home and the weather is looking like it's about to rain or it has started raining. Okay, aside that, I want to go and see patients in our outpatients because that's what you have to do because it's currently 8 a.m. ish. So I need to see patients till 9 and then I'm done with my duty till 9 p.m. at night. And yes, let's get on with the vlog. Guys, it's raining. Good morning, guys. Oh my god, where do I even start from? The vlog is not going the way I wanted to go. I feel like there's so many things that are not looking as they're supposed to look, but this is just the reality of trying to film in Nigeria, especially when you're trying to make everything work. So please bear with me, guys. I just hope this vlog is still nice, still amazing, but I just woke up from I think a 3 hour nap because I was so tired from the night shift. I wanted to start the vlog on like the morning before night shift. So that was why I started the vlog the way it started and you guys didn't really see how my night shift went. But you did see me consulting, that is seeing patients earlier this morning and it was raining heavily. It rained from that period I was talking to you guys around 8 a.m. up until 12 p.m. and everywhere has been gloomy since then. Like I had to come back very late because I could not go under the rain. and it was a whole lot, guys. I had to stay back and try and do some stuff on my phone before coming back, even though I didn't want to stay back because of the rain. So like I had to stay back and all. But right now I came back, dumped my bag on the floor, went into a nap, and I'm up. I want to quickly make beans. I know the last vlog ended with me making beans, but let's just pretend like, we've not seen us do beans on this channel before. But I parboiled beans and I left it yesterday and I separated it into two. So there was one that was very mushy and there was one that was not too mushy. The mushy one actually spoiled by the time I got back because I got back really late due to the rain. So it wasn't warmed and I don't have a fridge. So yeah, it's spoiled. So right now I want to do the one that is good, that is the non-mushy one. I want to make it, and there's currently light, so hopefully the light stays. I want to make it and then I want to start preparing for work. I already had my bath in the morning, thank God. So all I have to do is just freshen up my face, my hair, put on fresh clothes and head out to work. So yeah, the week is still young and I just hope that this week favors me and everything just stays calm because the shift was not so bad, but because of the rain and some other things that happened, we had some emergencies that kept us up at night. But yeah, it's a process. We're just coping with the entire thing, trying to also cope with my cramps, the whole period stuff. It's not easy, guys, but what managing, going through this, and we'll be fine. I always say this, we will be fine. We'll get through this. So I think I'll end the vlog when I get to work after cooking. I think I'm going to wrap up the vlog and then do another one showing you guys how my night shift actually goes if I can, and if the light is bright, if the sun comes out, because right now it's like a gloomy day. I should name this vlog the gloomy vlog. Yeah. Okay, I think I've yapped so much. Let's go and cook.